If you click on the homework feature of Intract app, you will have to select the classroom first. You will see all the previously created homeworks for the particular classroom here. Beside that, you can also see the number of submissions already done. If you want to create one, click on the add sign at the bottom right corner, select the subject, the deadline, add the description. If you have any media to attach, you can attach that and then click on submit. If you click on any created homework, you can see the details already filled in. If you click on the view all button at the bottom right corner, you can see all the submissions that are made for the particular homework. From there, you can accept, reject any homework, or you can even comment and start the discussion on the particular submission, and the student will be notified. If you want to accept the submission, click on the accept button at the top right corner, then click on proceed. You can download the JPG or the image, then click on open, and you can see whatever homework they have submitted, and then you can write a message and start a discussion. This will be notified to the particular student. Thank you.